Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Genshin impact not opening easy and quick. If you want to fix this problem, all you need to do first just type here background. Now click on it, scroll down until you find background apps. Now just turn it off, and that's it. Go back, and after that restart your PC, and then right click here, task manager, and that's it. Now click memory and close all the applications that use a lot of your memory, and if you want to close it, right click on it and end task. Now just open Genshin Impact and you will find that your problem is fixed, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and see you in the next video.